My name is Andrew Van Arsdale, and I'm one of the lawyers representing you in your case against the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I hope your new year is off to a good start. I appreciate the courage that you have shown in coming forward and trying to hold the church accountable for what they allowed to happen to you as a child. As you know, we are in negotiations with the church about your case. We are speaking with them about what happened to you, and they are in the process of investigating the claims that we are making so we can maybe get to a point where we can have a real discussion about why they are liable under the law for what happened to you and what sort of money damages that they should pay you under the law because of what happened to you. And that takes a little bit of time, right? Just like when you first signed up with us, maybe it was a few months ago, maybe it was 6 months ago, we worked with you, we got a bunch of information, and now the church is working to dig through that information and figure out what's going on. One thing that they have asked is for short little narratives about exactly kind of what happened. And I know you've given us a lot of information. I know you spent hours on the phone with my staff giving us information about a bunch of different things, but I may have a few more questions for you. Another lawyer that I work with may have a few more questions for you. So please be on the lookout from text messages or phone calls from my office. The call should be short, 10, 15 minutes. We're just trying to fill this one little gap the church has asked in order to put them in a position to try to resolve your case. And again, this is a bit of a negotiation, right? It's our job to get the church to get to a number, as high of a number as they're willing to go, and then I present it to you. I say, look, here's what the church is willing to settle your case for. It's X amount of dollars. And at that point, you have the ability to decide whether or not you accept it. You can sign off on that. You can get paid that money, you give them a release of liability, and they pay you that money damages to put you in a better position than you are today. Or you could say, no, Andrew, that's not enough, man. What I went through, that doesn't even touch it. I'll say, that's great. That is 100% your right to do. And here's kind of what the options are going forward. And so it's my job to get you that offer, give you the pros and cons, and put you in the best position I can for you to make that decision. So I will continue to work on that. We'll continue to work hard on your behalf to put you in a position to recover money damages from the church. And again, please be on the lookout for phone calls from myself, one of the other lawyers working on your case. And if you ever have any questions, simply email me, Andrew at AVALaw, Apple Victor, Apple Law, LAW.com, and I'll get right back to you, and I'll get you the resources and the support that you need to help get through this process. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for the patience and the trust that you've shown in our firm, and I look forward to sending you another update next week.